And after months of hard work cleaning up the damage left behind by devastating tornadoes that hit our area back in May, the Kohler Mountain Bike Preserve is now fully back open. Crews cleared away the last piece of debris from more than 20 miles of trail on Friday and are happy to announce that all mountain bike trails are fully reopened to the public at Kohler Mountain.
It was a lot to take in. Quite honestly, we probably thought we had more like 6 months or more before we were fully open. Yeah, it's been a huge effort, and it's happy to see this looking how it used to look.
And Nate Renner with Kohler Mountain says they are grateful to all the volunteers and local contractors that assisted their crew in restoring these trails to their former glory.